Clifford, the Big Red Dog. Phonics Fun Reading Program. Wet Pets. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth. We're going to have lots of fun learning how to read. I hope you like the story, Wet Pets. It's about the day Clifford and his pals played a fun game. In this story, we're learning about the G, G, and E, sounds. Here are some words to sound out. E, G, G. Beg, gets, beg, best. Jetta, get, pets, gets, wet. These are words that you will see in this story and in many other stories. You'll want to try to learn them. All, ball. This is a fun word that you will see in this story. Happy. Wet pets. Beg Mac. Mac can beg. Beg Cleo. Cleo can beg. Beg Clifford. Clifford can beg best of all. Get the ball, Mac. Mac can get the ball. Get the ball, Cleo. Cleo can get the ball. Get the ball, Clifford. Clifford gets wet. He gets the ball. Jetta and the pets get wet. All are wet and happy. Clifford, the Big Red Dog. Learn to read with Clifford and his friends. In this story, we are learning about the G, G, and E, sounds.